Hey everyone, if you're building an app in 2026 and wondering whether to use Replit or DataButton, you're in the right place. Both are AI-powered platforms that promise to turn your ideas into working apps, but they work very differently. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. And hey, if you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Overview. Let me give you the quick version. Replit is a full cloud-based IDE. Think of it as your entire development environment in the browser. You can code in 50 plus languages, use their AI agent to build apps, and collaborate in real time. It's powerful, but demands some technical knowledge. DataButton, on the other hand, is pure conversational AI development. You literally describe your app in plain English, and their AI agent builds React frontends and Python backends for you. It's designed specifically for non-technical founders who want to launch SaaS products fast. Development approach. Here's the fundamental difference. Replit gives you a traditional coding environment enhanced with AI. Their Agent 3 can scaffold projects autonomously, but you're still working with actual code, debugging in a terminal, and managing dependencies. It's AI-assisted coding. DataButton is AI first. You're having a conversation with an AI developer. It breaks your requests into structured tasks, shows you the plan in a Kanban board, and executes each step transparently. You see what it's building, but you're not writing the code yourself. It's designed for people who don't want to code at all. AI capabilities. Replit's Agent 3 is impressive. It autonomously debugs, writes unit tests, and uses web search to pull current documentation. It has two modes, a visual start with a design mode that produces prototypes in minutes, and a build the full app mode for complete applications with front-end, back-end, and integrations. The agent even self-tests in the browser, catches bugs, and fixes them automatically. DataButton's AI is more structured. It doesn't just generate code, it plans, explains its reasoning, and asks for your feedback at each step. The AI handles database, schema design, data migrations, and debugging. It's slower than some competitors, but users say it feels like working with a junior developer who thinks out loud. You get full transparency into what's happening. Tech stack. Replit is language agnostic, 50 plus languages, full stack support, built-in databases including PostgreSQL, and integration with cloud services. You can deploy anything from a simple static site to complex microservices. DataButton locks you into React for front-end and Python FastAPI for back-end. But here's the thing, every app gets a production-grade PostgreSQL database from Neon, built-in authentication, and the AI manages all of it. No setup, no configuration. For 90% of SaaS apps, this stack is perfect. Pricing reality. Replit starts at $20 month for core, but the real cost is usage-based. You get $25 in monthly credits, and then you're paying for AI agent usage, deployments, and compute. Heavy users report spending $100 $300 month on top of their subscription. The new Pro plan costs $100 month for teams with discounted credits. It's powerful but unpredictable. DataButton is simpler. $20 month gets you 75 credits for AI generation. Each code generation task costs 1 credit. For serious users, there's a $700 month plan with no credit cap and human support via Slack. The pricing is straightforward. You're paying for AI usage, not infrastructure. Real-world performance. Replit is fast for prototyping. Their agent can spin up a working app in under 10 minutes, but users report the agent sometimes gets stuck in loops, burning through credits while trying to fix bugs. You need to know when to step in and take over manually. DataButton is slower but more reliable. Building an app takes 40 plus minutes because the AI is more methodical. It explains each step, shows error logs, and defines done criteria before moving forward. Users say it's great for MVPs and internal tools, but struggles with complex, broad applications. Once your app gets too big, you'll need to export the code and refine it elsewhere. Deployment and hosting. Replit gives you one-click deployment to live URLs backed by Google Cloud. You can use custom domains, scale with auto-scale deployments starting at $1 month, or reserve VMs for $20 month. It's production-ready infrastructure. DataButton also does one-click deployment with custom domain support. Apps are hosted on their platform, and they handle all security and infrastructure. But here's the trade-off. You're locked into their hosting. You can't easily move to AWS or your own servers without significant work. Bottom line, choose Replit if you're a developer or technical founder who wants full control, needs multi-language support, and can handle some complexity. It's powerful, but requires coding knowledge. Choose DataButton if you're a non-technical founder who wants to build a SaaS MVP fast, you're okay with React and Python, and you value transparency over speed. It's slower, but more beginner-friendly. Both are solid tools, but they serve completely different users. That's it. Drop a comment telling me which one you choose and why. Links to both platforms are in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tool breakdowns. See you in the next one.